Hey, you know who it is. It's your boy Wall Street Shooter, and I'm checking in for the gang. And gang, I got a hot one for y'all. But before we jump into anything, check the links in the description or main comment right now. You have to have safe custody. Protect your crypto. Ledger, they got a new crypto device coming out called the Stack. I did a video on that. Please go check it out if you get the opportunity. But again, we do not trust the exchanges. We use exchanges for what reasons? Buy, sell, and transfer crypto. We transfer crypto to our cold storage wallets. Ledger, 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐠𝐞𝐭, Tezos, whatever you want to use. Remember, we protect our crypto. We always have self-custody of our crypto keys. Not your keys, not your crypto. Remember that. So check out the links. Go get you a Ledger. Go get you a 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐠𝐞𝐭 or whatever flavor that you like. If you don't understand what cold wallets and hot wallets is, go check out the videos. I'm going to pin it here. Somewhere around here, I'm going to pin it, and you can go click on it and learn more about hot wallets versus cold wallets and why you should be definitely storing your crypto on those. Anyways, enough of that, man. What's going on? It is Monday. It's January 30th. Salute to y'all. Y'all made it through the weekend. Hopefully you enjoy all the gains we've been getting on the crypto side of the house. It's been going crazy the last couple of weeks. As expected, we have had some pullback today. It's a big week in stock earnings. Shooter, why are you talking about stock earnings compared? And we're talking about crypto because it plays a part. Crypto is just like tech. It kind of follows the NASDAQ. Stocks is still king in a sense. So whatever the stock's going to do, crypto kind of follows. And we've been having this pullback, which was expected, right? We looked at the charts. We know we was getting super extended, right? RSI was just cooking. We super extended past our SMAs. So we knew that we was going to get some drawback, and we kind of prepared for that. So hopefully you got an opportunity to get some profits. I know I took profits in some crypto plays. I actually took profits this morning right before the stock market opened up too, which I'm happy that I did because it was a major pullback. So I'm happy I was able to get up and get some profits off of a couple of plays. Before we get into everything, this is just a quick overview. There's a lot going on in the crypto space. I do want to go, and this is CoinMarketCap. You are familiar with this, coinmarketcap.com. We still got 22,000 cryptos. We still above $1 trillion. We was almost at the 1.1. But with this pullback that we having, as you can see, we definitely didn't reach it, which is fine. You know what I'm saying? Like, again, we kind of expect that. We're going to look at the charts. We're going to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum charts, and you can kind of see what's going on. Bitcoin still king. Ethereum still running a hot second. BNB over $300 for BNB is down right now. XRP is down 0.18%. Cardano's up 0.05%. You know, it's kind of, sideways, kind of real chill in the market today. Kind of expected that, man. Again, big earnings week. We got big tech, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Google reporting. We got FOMC. The Fed will be talking about interest rate. I think there's going to be about a 0.25 increase that's probably already baked in. So you can kind of see what's going on. We definitely prepared for any of that. Crypto Fear Index. This thing was greedy. People been taking profits, as you should. Now we're seeing neutral right now. It's been a long time since we've seen neutral and greedy. It's been a long time, and it happened. I think we're like 60 on the greedy side. So people was taking profits. Yeah, 61 right here, 61 on the greedy side. So now we're sitting about right in the middle, 51. It's not a percent. No, we're just 51. So, this is a time to just kind of wait. If you're not trading, if you're not buying, this be a good opportunity. Just kind of like chill back and wait and kind of see what's going on with the earnings and everything. In my opinion, do what you want to do. Portfolio check. You see the red man. Hey, some of these plays have been running hot. You didn't get an opportunity to buy. This might be a good opportunity. Again, I'm not telling you to buy, sell, hold any crypto. You do what you want. It's your money. But for us and a Discord and part of the crew, we only buy red candles. So if you're trying to buy some of these plays that got overextended, that's pulling back, this is a good opportunity for me. I actually sold some APT this morning. What else did I sell? I sold some render as well. Took more profits off of that. And I just been chilling. I haven't bought anything. This looked like a good opportunity for me to buy. So I'm going to kind of go look and see, especially with the profits that I took from last week and today. I might go back and buy up some stuff. I'm not sure what I want to buy yet. Maybe it might be some Avalanche. Maybe it might be some H-bar. Maybe if Matic Yeah, not Matic yet. I want to get Matic under $1 because I know it's going to get back underneath $1. So definitely going to look at that. Avalanche, it's about 19. That's not my buying price right now. Maybe like 15, 16. Maybe I'll go dip into Avalanche. I got a good dollar cost average for Avalanche right now. Even though it's still down from its yearly, I still want to get it for a discount. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. All right, man. Let's look into some charts real quick, man. This is the Bitcoin chart. This is the daily chart. Let's flop that thing all over to the weekly chart. You already know this thing marked up like a New York subway. As you can see, we've been overextended. We had that nice little run right here, right? Nice little 40, call it 48% run. And now we're pulling back. We're above the downtrend line here. We're pulling back. We did not cross the 200. The 50 and the 200 is about to meet. This could turn real quick because the talks of recession is starting to build up. JP Morgan's talking about it. A lot of major banks are talking about more layoffs are coming. Over 178 jobs might be, or 178 employees might be losing their jobs in the first quarter. They didn't say when, but we're in the first quarter of this year. And with that comes fear, right? A lot of uncertainty. A lot of people who are invested are going to be pulling their money out because if they lose their job, you need bread, right? So I'm not an oracle. I don't know what's going to happen, but I do like to see this pull back down here about from this swing high about the 21.5 range. We duck back and get in back below this trend line. We have this overall uptrend line here. Maybe we duck off and catch this cross and start dropping off. I'm still standing on 12,000 Bitcoin just because I know the recession has not been officially announced, but it's a lot of talks about the recession. So this is the weekly chart. If we want to look at this on a daily, it's just a little bit more information. But again, we're above the 200. You have the 50 crossing the 100, which is that purple line, and it looks like the 50 might cross the 100. So this might just be a decent pullback. Maybe we can pull back to the supply zone here, bounce and push towards this next supply zone and this supply zone, and so on and so on. Still a lot before I can get bullish in the market. I'm neutral. I'm neutral, just like the index right now. So I'm just wait and see and just kind of play it. Try to catch these red candles. Try to buy in on red candles. RSI on Bitcoin on the daily, it was steaming, beaming hot, up 90. Now we down about 60. So definitely want to see if it comes down back to this 50 mark, which will probably put us back in this little sector right here. Let's look at Ethereum real quick. Same thing goes. Ethereum follows Bitcoin. Again, overextended. That's probably like a nice little, let's see what that run up was. 40, we'll call it 45% run up as well. We look like we're creating a flag here on the daily. Weekly. If I switch this over to the daily, we definitely got possibly a bullish pennant could be forming here. It all depends if we get a confirmation above this swing high. If we can break that swing high and start continuing, then we know we got confirmation for a bullish pennant. If not, then we might just get a sell-off. Retest the overall trend, which is this yellow line here, and then maybe bounce off the current trend, the downtrend that we're having right now. So as you can see a nice little double bottom here. You got your bottom here, your wick, your bottom, it crossed, confirmed, push. Then you start getting that consolidation and see if we can still push. On the daily, we're above the 200. That's a good thing. The 50 is trying to catch up and cross. If we get that cross with the 200, we might get some push based off of technicals. Again, fundamentals are very important because one bad call or the Fed FOMC we get a quick sell-off. Right? A lot of uncertainty right now. So if you're not trying to trade or not looking to buy or anything like that, and you don't know if you should be taking profit, maybe you might sit it on your hands and just kind of see how this week play off in the stock market. Could be beneficial for you because, again, it's a very important week with the big dogs reporting earnings. So maybe it's a good time to kind of chill out, catch a couple of red candles, maybe break down into the 4 hour and maybe kind of scalp in when you can if you really want to buy in. Breaking this down into the 4 hour, you can see this is all consolidations, right? You get your pop out, pull back, pop out, pull back. We consolidating, right? We've been consolidating since the 23rd of January. So been pretty much consolidating, hanging around this 50, 100 M SMA. with the 200 trailing. Right, we got the cross here earlier back on the 23rd in the 4-hour, confirming the uptrend. So we just consolidating, hanging out. And you know, I got to look at XRP. We got to look at XRP. Where I got XRP? Go back to the week. All right, XRP. Pretty much consolidating, hanging out on the overall trend. This yellow line right here. Sorry about that. Overall trend hanging out here. Let me adjust this a little bit. Hanging out. Still pretty much, I mean, if I was to draw a current market sentiment trend line, we're pretty much even Steven. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if I was to take that high and come right here, right, we're approaching it. I got my hits here, here. So I'm pretty confident with that trend, right? We haven't broken out of it just yet. I think a lot of it still with the market sentiment, SEC and all that stuff. You know, it's a hot year for XRP. It's an important year for XRP for sure. So I think just investors are trying to just watch. I think people are kind of happy with their position right now, not putting too much more money in, just kind of see what the SEC, they just hired a new president. They promoted their vice president, and she is now the president of XRP or Ripple. No really other big news coming from Ripple. Is just trying to see what this SEC case is going to be looking like. Let's break this down to the daily real quick. If I'm talking fast and y'all not getting it, just rewatch the video. We go on a little pullback now, right? You can see this red line. That is my 200 SMA. So we're pulling back to right now, bouncing off the 200 SMA. And we have the 50 trailing here right with the overall trend line. So we'll kind of see what's going on. Right now I'm seeing a definitely making a triangle. I would say no confirmation just yet, but I am looking at a nice ascending triangle here, right? We got it here. Let me show you. Boom. Right. Got the body, the hits here, got the uptrend. So worth keeping an eye on from a technical aspect. Again, fundamentals are going to play a big role in this year. It's very important what's going on with the recession, job loss, tech, what Ripple is doing. Regardless, of like Ripple get a lot of good news. You might get a pump here, but it's not going to like send it, meaning take it to the moon. So, but it's still important. Always put your fundamentals in there with your actual technical analysis as well too. So yeah, just want to look at those three, get a quick update on my portfolio, the overall index, the fear index on what's going on. And yeah, just want to chat with y'all, man. It's Monday, man. You know what I'm saying? Just be cautious. I think that's the biggest thing for me to tell you guys, to be cautious. The market is very uncertain, especially this week. Again, I cannot stress FOMC this week. I think it's on Wednesday. Earnings, Apple, Google, Amazon, AMD. Yeah, big dogs reporting. Matter of fact, let me pull it up in the Discord. We post that. Let me switch this real quick. I think I can switch this. I don't think I can. Yeah, I don't think I can. Maybe I can. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, Meta, Facebook, AMD, Snap, Spotify, Amazon, Apple, Google, Qualcomm. Who else? Sony. Who else? Y'all get it, right? Pfizer, McDonald's, big dogs reporting, man. Big dogs. So we'll definitely be tapped in. I'll probably share my thoughts on if these companies hit or miss. I haven't had the opportunity to look at the after hours, like Whirlpool and all those guys. So I'm definitely gonna be tapped into that. But tomorrow kicks off, man. It's gonna be popping. It's gonna be on and popping tomorrow. So definitely gonna be on the lookout on what's going on over there. But man, appreciate y'all if y'all stuck and hung out with me during this time. As far as this video right here, I made it quick. We under 15 minutes, man. Yeah. I told y'all, man, I'm working on the time. But hey, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. It's your boy, Shooter the Investor. If I deserve a like, go ahead and do that now. Share this video with your partners. Drop me a comment below. Let's have a conversation. Just don't get all like snappy or weird, because I will snap back, because I got time for haters. You dig? Anyways, man, much love. Peace. I got time for haters. Believe that. You dig?